Of course, the proposal to acquire multi-role jet fighters is still pending. It's still part of our plans because we still need more. In spite of this 12 additional F-50s, we would still be needing more fighter aircraft because we have a very wide archipelagic area to protect and monitor.
Kinumpirma ng Philippine Air Force na mananatiling bahagi ng kanilang long-term modernization program ang pagbili ng multi-role fighters na may mas mahabang range at mas mataas na firepower kumpara sa kasalukuyang fleet ng bansa. Nitong weekend, inanunsyo ng Department of National Defense ang notice to proceed para sa 12 bagong FA-50 Block 70 jets na nagkakahalaga ng $700 milyong na bibilhin sa South Korea. Bahagi ito ng Modernization Program Horizon 3 ng AFP. Mas advanced naman ang mga bagong version na ito kumpara sa ginagamit ngayon na FA-50 ng Philippine Air Force, kung saan matatandaang bumagsak ang isang unit nito noong Marso. Ikinatuwa ng hukbong himpapawid ang pagbili ng mas advanced na FA-50 Block 70 fighter jet. Gayunman, hindi nawala sa plano ang pagbili ng multi-role fighters. Ayon kay Colonel Castillo, naipasa na nila sa Department of National Defense ang kanilang proposal. Nasa kamay na rin ng Defense Department kung ano ang bibilhin.
We only forward the general capabilities that the general specifications, but it would be up to the Defense Department to do the actual acquisition of the specific type or model of aircraft.
Dagdag pa ng Philippine Air Force official, target nilang makakuha ng MRF na mas mataas ang capability kaysa ginagamit nila ngayon para mapalakas pa ang kakayahan ng aerial defense ng bansa. Pero depende pa rin ito sa ilalaang budget ng gobyerno.
Right now, what we are looking at for multi-role fighters is definitely better capabilities than what we currently have in our inventory right now. So we're looking at longer range, better firepower, among others. Definitely the best we can have for the budget that is available.
Tiniyak din ng Air Force na sapat ang kanilang paghahanda pagdating sa training ng mga piloto at maintenance personnel para sa mga modernong eroplano. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.